Welcome to the offer of your OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here correct and fast. We can unlock the device just less than in 1 second. So that's the good result for the fingerprint. I just a little bit hold it for a while, because if you will just make it by this way, just by simple touch, you have no chance to unlock the device. So just keep finger on the sensor just for a while, and after that you can successfully unlock your smartphone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.